Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious tamales dulces. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, we're going to add 6 cups of milk. We're going to allow it to heat up just until it begins to steam, approximately 6 minutes. Once we have our milk, we can make our masa. Using a stand mixer, we're going to add 1.5 cups of butter flavored shortening. This is the one that I'm using. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now we're going to be beating at medium-high speed for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to lower down the speed and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, along with 6 cups of instant corn masa for tamales. Now we're going to be alternating between the milk and the masa corn flour until we have added all 6 cups of each. Once we added all 6 cups of masa and the milk, we're going to turn up the speed to medium-high and allow it to beat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our sweet masa should be nice and fluffy. So at this point, I'm going to divide it into 2. So like that we can make our strawberry tamales and the pineapple tamales. To make sure that you scrape all of it so it's easier to divide. So I'm going to reserve 4.5 cups. So like that we have even amount of tamales de fresa y de piña. So now just make sure that you cover the masa so like that it don't dry out. Okay, to make the pineapple tamales, we're going to add 1 cup of crushed pineapple with its juice, 1 cup of pineapple preservatives, and a little bit of yellow food coloring. These are just going to intensify the yellow color. And now we're just going to beat for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we're going to test our masa to make sure that it is well hydrated. So grab 1 cup of room temperature water, add a little piece of masa, and it should float. That's how you know you're going to have some delicious, moist, and fluffy tamales. Once we have our masa, we're going to set it to the side and get ready to make our strawberry tamales. And make sure that you cover your masa so it doesn't dry out. Okay, so now we're going to grab our other half of sweet masa and we're going to return it to our mixer. And to that we're going to add 1.5 cups of strawberry pie filling and 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract. So now we're going to mix for 5 minutes. And again, we're going to test our masa to make sure that it is well hydrated. So grab your cup, add a little piece, and it should float. And once we have both of our masas, now we are ready to make our tamales. Okay, so my corn husks, they are ready. They've been soaking for 4 hours. We're going to grab the soft side and we're going to spread a thick layer of the masa. Now, if you want to add any stuffing to them, you can for sure do that. You add whatever you want, or you can just keep them plain and simple and just, use the masa. But I'm going to be adding some chocolate Hershey's along with fresh strawberries. Okay, so just make sure that you place it in the center. But now we're just going to grab the end, cover the filling, and then grab the other end, overlap it, grab the tail, fold it, and just like that we have our strawberry tamales. And for the pineapple tamales, you can keep them plain and simple as well. Just add a big piece of masa in the center and then just close your tamal. Or you can add a little cream cheese, some pineapple preservatives, pineapple chunks, and a little coconut. These are my favorite, let me tell you. So now we're just going to close them and repeat the process until we don't have any masa to spread. While I spread the masa, I like to get my steamer pot ready. I already have it set on medium heat and the bottom is covered with water. So now I'm just going to add some corn husks so like that the water doesn't go to my tamales. Okay, so once we have our steamer pot ready, now we are ready to place our tamales inside the pot. And you arrange them however is most easy for you. Okay, so once we have all of our tamales nicely arranged, we're going to cover our steamer pot and we're going to cook for 50 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so after 50 minutes, our tamales should be fully cooked. So just be very careful and open your lid for the steamer pot and carefully pull out 1 tamal. They should be done, but they're going to be very soft still. So we're just going to allow them to sit for 15 minutes. So just carefully pull them out. And after 15 minutes, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So we're just going to grab our tamal. I'm going to get 1 of each. I am so ready, look at that. So pretty. Okay, let me get the strawberry. Look at that. And it looks so moist. And of course you can top it with your favorite toppings, but for me I think this is enough. Just grab your glass of milk and get ready to enjoy. Look at that. So ready. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready, guys. Let me tell you that I love strawberry and chocolate tamales. Right here we have the chocolate. I'm really not a big fan of adding fresh strawberries, but like I said, you can add whatever you want or just keep them plain and simple. Either way, you know, the masa is just seriously super delicious. You can enjoy it with your cup of milk, cup of hot chocolate, whatever you want to drink it with. It's honestly the best. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. My mouth is already so watery. I love strawberries and chocolate. So these tamales are honestly the best. So cheers and enjoy. I love these ones. So good. And they're not too sweet. You know, when you steam them, some of the sugar kind of disappears. Is that the right word? Probably not. But you know, some of when you steam anything, you know, it kind of loses its flavor. So, but this right here, it's perfect. It doesn't need any more sugar. For me, this is perfect. They're not too sweet. They're just right there. I could eat this one. So good. The best. The pineapple. This one has the pineapple chunks and the pineapple jelly. These ones are really good too. It's like upside down cake. That's what it reminds me of. So good. And they're so moist, so they don't, you know, they don't feel dry while you're swallowing them. They're just perfect. You know. And like I said, you could just enjoy them like that with nothing inside. You know, they're so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious tamales dulces. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.